Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss our topic that what is ERP. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in technology or enterprise resource planning. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. Friend, ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning and refers to a type of software or system used by a business to plan and manage daily activities such as supply chain, manufacturing, services, financial, and other processes. Enterprise resource planning software can be used to automate and simplify individual activities across a business or organization, such as accounting and procurement, project management, customer relationship management, risk management, compliance, and supply chain operations. Individual ERP applications can offer software as a service SaaS, while a complete suite of ERP application forms an ERP system that can be used to effectively communicate and bring together a variety of business processes. ERP system enable a flow of data between individual applications, typically through common databases either on-site, on-premise, or in the cloud. ERP connect every aspect of an enterprise. An ERP software system allows for better performance and project management that helps plan, budget, predict, and accurately report on an organization's financial health and processes. ERP systems have become essential for businesses small, medium, and large across many industries. The main purpose of an ERP system is to increase organizational efficiency of an organization by managing and improving how company resources are utilized, improving and or reducing the number of resources necessary without sacrificing quality and performance are keys to effectively improving business growth and profitability. ERP system typically cover all aspects of business operations it is an integrated system, common database, real-time operations, support for all applications and components, common user interface across application, on-premises, cloud hosting, and SaaS and SaaS deployment. ERP software has the ability to collect and compare metrics across departments and provide a number of different reports based on roles or specific user preferences. The data collected makes finding and reporting on data faster and gives a complete view of business performance with complete insights on how resources are being spent. ERP synchronizes reporting and automation by reducing the need to maintain separate databases and spreadsheets that would have to be manually merged to generate reports. This combined data collection and reporting offers valuable insights such as where to cut costs and streamline processes, providing the information to make real-time business decisions. ERP Enterprise Resource Planning software is considered a type of enterprise application which refers to software designed to satisfy the software needs of an organization and improve business performance. There are different ERP systems available today that range greatly depending on the size, function, and needs of an organization. Types of ERP system generally refers to deployment options and include cloud ERP, on-premise ERP, and hybrid ERP. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.